Good morning, student. How are you today, everyone? I hope that today you fine. Okay, today you are good, everyone. For me, I'm very good. Okay, because I always stay at home and I always wash my hand. And when I go somewhere, I always wear a mask to avoid the coronavirus. And what about you, everyone? I hope that you fine also. Okay. Okay, so please stay safe all together. And what day today, everyone? Okay, today is Thursday, December 10, 2020, right? Thursday, December 10, 2020. Okay, in 10, 2020, okay, based on your schedule, you are going to learn about, first session you are going to learn about what? First session you are going to learn about Grammar Planet 2. Okay, Grammar Planet 2, this one is say about first session, Grammar Planet 2, page 24 again. But everyone, I want to, you make it clear in this lesson with there is, there are, and plus noun, okay? So that's why I have to teach you again and again, review again and again, in order to make you clear and practice doing exercise in your workbook correctly. So that's why I have to raise this up again and again for you, okay? So, because as you know already, for yesterday I have teach you about noun, right? The rules of noun. And then, do you remember, everyone? We have 5 rules of noun for yesterday, but we have a lot, but I just raised up 5 for yesterday. But today, Unit 4, there are kangaroos again. So this one is the very important in this lesson. Very important in this lesson. The main point in the lesson, like there is plus singular noun and there are plus plural noun that I have already teach you, I have already taught you, and then I have mentioned already for you about there is and there are, and also some function of noun, the rule of plural noun or singular to plural noun. I have already teach, but I just want to make you identify all this. And then because in our lesson just there is and there are plus singular or plural noun, okay? So it's time that you are going to practice doing exercise with me, whether you do correct or not, because we have a complete the sentence with there is or there are. You can see, right? Yes, complete the sentence with there is or there are, and other one, okay? Other one, circle the correct and answer. Okay. I think that you already understand about this, because when you know about singular noun and plural noun that I already mentioned yesterday, you have to do it correctly, right? Okay, so start to do with me right now, okay? So number 1, as you can see, number 1, complete the sentence with there is or there are. So a bag, can you see a bag on the table? A bag on the table, so we have only one bag on the table. A bag means one bag, right? So if 2 bag up, we have ice. So there is or there are that you are going to complete. Yes, so there is or there are. So you have to complete with, what, everyone? You have to complete with there. There is, because have only one. There is plus singular noun. So where is the noun, everyone? So you have to complete there. Yes, there is, right? You have to complete there is because this one a bag. A bag, this one is say about singular noun. If plural noun, we have to add s. Yes? You understand what I mean? Okay, so we have to add s for the plural noun. So if we have s, we have to plus with there are. But singular, we have plus with there is. And then some noun, as I already mentioned, some noun no need, we have to add s. Most noun we have to add s. Some noun we have to add es. Some noun we have to add chain wise add ies. Okay, and some noun are irregular noun. So when you want to make it into plural, you need to add s. We change, we irregular like that. Okay. So make sure that you have to note into your notebook in order to make you clear and in order to make you understand about all those nouns for yesterday I already mentioned, right? So this is the bag on the table, and as you can see, number 2, 6 chair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chair, right? Mean that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. This one is plural already, and chair we have to add s because this one is in most noun. We have to add s to make a plural, right? Because the chair is not. Chair is not at the end of letter Y, at the end of letter F or EF like that, or irregular noun. So we have to add s on the word chair, okay? So 6 chair, this one is plural, so you have to complete what? Everyone, you have to complete with there are, okay? So there, yes, yeah, there are 6 chair in the room. So this one is plural. This one say plural. So when plural noun, we use be plus with there are, right? Okay, so move to number 3. Many bars under the table. As you already know, the word bars, B, we spell B-O-Z. Sorry, H, right? B-O-H. This one, when you know the noun at the end of letter H like that, we have to add es, right? In here, we have to add es to make those nouns into plural form, as I already mentioned, right? So many bus under the table. Many bus under the table. Okay, many, a lot, mean many, mean a lot. So this one is plural. So we have to use with there is, no, we have to use with there are, okay? So this one is there are, okay? This one I have already mentioned. This one is plural, we use with there, and singular we use with there is. And move to part B, okay? Part B that you have learned yesterday already about the rules of plural noun. Rule of plural noun form, right? Rule of plural noun that you have learned yesterday. I have already mentioned, as I remember that we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is the rule of noun, but we have a lot. But I just raised up for yesterday, only 5. But today you have to circle the correct answer with me, right? So we have only 4 that you are going to do. So there are some nice, we have s, right? Okay, have s. And there are some nice for this one, we have ves. But for singular night, actually singular night at the end of the word night, we have singular like K, N, I, F, E only, right? F, E only, knife. Okay, so F, E only. So when the plural noun at the end of the word fe, you have to change what? Change fe to vei to make a plural form. Do you remember, everyone? So this one is wrong, this one is correct. Okay, this one is correct. This is the right answer. Okay, this is incorrect. Okay, no need to add s because at the end of letter ef, at the end of the noun letter ef, you change to vef. You understand what I mean? Okay, yesterday you remember. If you remember, you can do it correctly without me. Okay. There are some knife here. Can you see here? You have to do this one because the noun at the end of the word ef. Okay. So one more thing. Letter B. So number 2. There are 5 mouths. We have to add s here. And mice. So this one is, they say what? Do you remember, everyone? I have already mentioned this one is about irregular noun, right? Children, right? Child, children, ghosts, geese. This one is irregular noun. So for irregular noun, you have you don't add s, es or change y to ies. Okay? So we have to irregular all the time. Okay, irregular. This one you have to remember all by yourself. Okay. So there are 5 mouths, this one or this one? So there are 5 mouths, this one, mice. This one is correct because this one is incorrect because this one is AVF. So mouth change. This one is about irregular noun that I have already mentioned. So this one, okay? So number 3. There are 2, quiz have ES, right? And there are 2 quiz. Yes, quiz only this, right? This one is quiz. Yes. Quiz. Yes. Yes. This one is ice. This one is double that. There are 2 quizzes, right? So we have to double set, right? So this one is there are 2 quizzes. So which one is correct, student? Yeah, this one is wrong. This one is correct because at the end of letter Z. Okay, so we have to add ES. So this one is correct. Okay, this one is correct. Thank you very much. So there are 2 quiz. There are 2 quiz a month. Okay, there are 2 quiz a month. So this one is correct. 2 quizzes. Okay, and this one is wrong. Okay, so move to other one. There are 4 child. Here we have H. Can you see? There are 4 child. So which one is correct, student? There are 4 child or there are 4 children. As I have already mentioned, so child to plural. This one is a children. So children is correct. This one is the correct answer. Why this one is the correct answer? Because children is irregular noun. You don't have to add I. You don't add I to the word child. This one is say about irregular noun. I have already mentioned all this. Okay. So for today's lesson that you are going to learn, you learn about this. Yes. Number 1, you have to complete. You have to practice doing the grammar with me, with there is or there are. And other one, you have to circle the correct answer. Okay. You have to circle the correct answer. And all these lessons related to there is and there are in our unit 4. And there is plus singular noun and there are plus plural noun. This one is very important in our lesson. So that's why I have to teach you again and again, one more time and one time to make you identify all those. So do you understand, everyone? Yes? I hope that you understand all this. If you don't understand about any point, any mistake, any errors, you have to ask your homeroom teacher, and your homeroom teacher also explain you clear. So thank you for the first session today.